but it's, I mean, who wants to look, simple when you can look stunning?
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. 'Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, 'cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my rules. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. 'Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it.
Alright guys, I hope everybody enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and turn on my post notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post. With that being said, I hope everybody lives their best life. Peace, love, and light to you all.
'Cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.